How often should I test my sump pump? Dylan with Rescon Basement Solutions here. We're out in Manchester, New Hampshire, servicing a sump pump. A lot of the time we get questions from homeowners, how often should I test my sump pump? If you have a sump pump, it's because you have water coming up. So testing the sump pump is being done most likely year round, if not the majority in the spring and fall when our wet seasons are. So testing the sump pump, never put water into your basin on purpose. We don't like doing that. We're trying to get water out of the basement, not put it back in. You can try to manually activate the floats inside the basin to trigger that pump. A lot of homeowners jump to conclusions. If their floats aren't triggering their pump, they think their pump's dead. We have independent floats that run separate from your pump. So your float activates, sends the signal to your pump, that turns the pump on and in turn removes the water. To bypass that float, all you would have to do is plug your sump pump directly into an AC outlet or extension cord, and that sump pump will automatically start pumping water out. Now, if you're in an emergency situation, nobody can get out to you, you see water rising and your pump's not pumping, go ahead, plug that pump directly in and let that thing do its job. A lot of the times the plumbing can be quick connect, so you can go ahead, buy a new pump at Home Depot, throw it in there and try to remove it. But more often than not, we have emergency lines. We can be out to you anytime, 24/7. A lot of companies offer the same thing. So give the professionals a call and have us come out and service this thing once a year so that you guys can stay upstairs and not worry about any of the water.